Jenny, and today I want to show you the newest stuff that's been on the market, the Sublisplash driver. The Sublisplash driver and the Sublisplash monitor have been created just for you to make your workday just a little bit easier. It is meant to be used with the Sublisplash sublimation dye inks and will address any of your color correcting needs. It is easy to use. You can literally print from any program, even if it's Word or a PDF file. No more additional graphic programs are needed to address your color needs. It has optimized color reproduction and printing speed, and also it has a hot folder and an archive function. So let me go ahead and show you how it works. So I'm going to go ahead and right-click on the image I'd like to print. Here I'm going to choose Print. I'm going to go ahead and choose my Sublisplash driver. Options. I'm going to go ahead and press Printer Properties. Here you can choose the printer you'd like to use. The Sublisplash driver automatically recognizes all printers that already carry the Sublisplash ink. In this case, I want to be using my Ricoh. The profile you'd like to be using, in this case, I'm just going to be using standard. However, there's also additional options as for ceramic, aluminum, etc., many more to come for any surface you'd like to print on. The paper size, in this case, I'm going to be choosing my MAC paper. If I'd like to mirror my image or not, the amount of copies, and press OK. Here we go. Now we're going to go ahead and press Print. And now my image is sent directly to my Sublisplash monitor, which will open up automatically. Here you're going to see all the jobs that I have sent in the past. And here you can still change the printer you'd like to be using or the profile. You can choose mirror image or not. It will also give you a little preview, which is nice to see how it will come out. And then simply press Print or Delete. You also have an option up here for auto spool, which if you activate it, it will be sent directly to your printer. So it's a nice option to have, especially if you have high amounts of print jobs to be done. If you have done any in the past, they will be found under History, as well as in Settings. You can again change any properties you'd like to change within your printer. As you can see, the Sublisplash driver is an all-in-one solution and is very easy to operate. Currently supported are printer models SG400 and SG800, the Ricoh SG3110DN, as well as the Ricoh SG7100DN, as well as Epson EcoTanks and the Epson Stylus Pro, and many more to come. For any more questions, feel free to visit us at sublisplash.com. And with this, we do wish you happy printing.